everyone, my name is Sophie and I'm Mina's youngest brother. I'm only 8 years old, so I might need a little help from my mom and dad to get through this. I'm really excited to talk about Ate Mina's big day. Ate Mina, you have always been a big loving sister, and I'm thankful to have you. You are such a wonderful sister. You played with me, made sure I was included, and even let me borrow your stuff sometimes. You always make me laugh. I love you so much. I love having sleepovers and getting to spend time with you guys. I'm really happy you found someone who makes you smile and takes care of you. I'm so excited to have Kuya Angelo and Alice as part of our family. I hope you have a lot of fun together and always stay happy. You're both really awesome. Congratulations, Ate Mina, Kuya, and Kuya Angelo. I love you both and wish you the best in marriage ever. Wait, that's wedding and marriage ever. Sorry.
Good evening. I'm Rachel, the lucky youngest sister of our beautiful bride, Ate Mina. Today is such a special day, and I'm so thrilled to be here to celebrate Ate Mina and Kuya Angelo's union. When I think of Ate Mina, the term half-sister never comes to mind. To me, she always has been and always will be my sister. One who was my confidant, my role model, and my best friend. When I first met her, I was intimidated by the age gap. But from the very first moment I met her, she welcomed me with open arms and a heart full of love. Growing up, Ate Mina was someone who taught me so many important life lessons without aging. She was understanding and kind. She gave me fashion advice and listened to all my stories and journeys. Her patience and kindness have always been infinite. Ate Mina, I've always looked up to you, not just because you're my big sister, but because you are an extraordinary person. And then Kuya Angelo came into the picture. Your love is a beautiful example of what true partnership is. Kuya Angelo, thank you for loving my sister the way she deserves to be loved. I'm so glad to have you join the family, and I wish you both a lifetime of happiness and love. Congratulations.
Iyak na yan. Ay, mag-pressure.
My name is Alice, and this is my sister. Dear Daddy and Mama, I am so grateful and happy that you guys are going to get married. I love you both so much, and all the memories we had together are the ones I will cherish most. These past 4 years were the best years of my life, and it makes me so happy to see you both get married so we can keep making good memories in our lifetime. You both always do your best to be the most amazing parents in my life, and I am so grateful to have parents like the both of you. These past 4 years both have been giving me.
It's
These
giving.
past 4 years, you both have been giving me
It's giving.
the best life, and you both have been making me so happy, and I feel so loved. I couldn't ask for more. Daddy, everything you went through to give me the life I have today, the life we have today, makes me so happy and grateful that I get to call you my dad. Not only you provide the stuff I need, but you provide the love and affection I need. And after everything you went through, it makes me so happy to see you get married. Thank you for being the best dad in the world. And Mama, thank you for being the best mama I could ever have. You treated me like your actual daughter, and you taught me everything I know until now. After I met you, I feel like I became a new and better person, and I am so grateful that you treated me like your real daughter. I am so grateful to have a mama like you. Every time I talk to you about me being stressed or stuff that happens in school, you always find a way to calm me down and make me less stressed. Thank you for being the best for me. I wish you both a healthy and wealthy relationship. Whatever happens, I will do my best to support you both in this new chapter of your guys' relationship. I love you both no matter what. Bye.
Let's go chat GPT.
I didn't do that. I asked.
Mina.
You're next.
Sabi kaya Mina, sir, right? I mean, husband. Ay, pwede din.
Your wife.
Sir, husband? Okay, kiss now. Wala din naman sinulat, pero congrats kay amigo.
Yeah, love you.
Pero love you and wish you the best. Congrats. Saka para sa akin si Renina, ano talaga, wala akong masabi ng bahay. Kahit sila mami, dati gusto si Renina. Yun lang.
Kaya Mikat yung pinaka-pogi.
Yung dami na.
Wala akong sinulat eh. Kasi tutulog ako yung sinabi nila sa group chat na gumawa na ng speech. So, freestyle na lang yung akin. Ang masabi ko lang ay, yung unang meet ko kay Ate Rims kasi tawag sa kanya.
Pero magka-birthday sila.
Magka-birthday kami.
Same year. Same year na lang, Ate Rims. Same time din. So,
umiiyak siya.
Nag-iisip ako eh. Yung unang meet ko kay Ate Rims, alam namin na siya na talaga dahil umpisa pa lang, talagang pagkapait-pait, masarap pa magluto, tsaka walang masabi si Kami kung masama. Kaya, ito talaga kami.
Umanda siya pa may sinabi mo sa mano.
So, yun, thankful kami na nangyari yung COVID dahil kung hindi nangyari yung COVID, iba nga di sila nag-meet. Yun lang. Love you guys both.
Sa totoo lang, ano.
yung hindi
Sa
totoo.
totoo lang, one of my reason why I come here to America is to attend your meet. Siyempre, pangatlong mami ako. Di ba?
So ano yung next week?
Next reason, yun lang yung mami G.
Next series is Vegas.
Vegas, serious na talaga. Heartiest congratulations to both of you. Nina, welcome to the family. And my only wish for you guys is to grow old together in love, respect, and trust. Hindi ko na siguro hindi natin elaborate, but of course I'm coming, you know where I'm coming from, but one thing na i-advise ko sa inyo is put always God in the middle ng relationship.
And Willie.
So yun lang. God bless you. I love you guys.
Love you. Thank you.
Masyado kasi yung host eh.
Kahit maputi na pareho ang group nyo.
Puti na ba eh.
Ay, sabay. Tabi.
Nag-die lang eh.
Saka ang gusto ko, bago ako hindi na...
Ay, bawal yan sa tipo.
Gusto ko na lang ako sa tuhod.
Okay, bukas meron yan, bukas. Bukas.
Panganay ako sa kanay siya, di panganay ulit.
Hello everyone. As I stand here, I'm filled with so many emotions, excitement, nostalgia, and above all, love. After all, I've known Ate Nina my whole life. We grew up together, went through everything together, and today I couldn't be prouder to stand by her side. Growing up together, sharing our lives in the same small school, where everybody knew everybody, she was always the star. I was Mina's sister to teachers and older students, which used to bother me back then. I didn't want to be just known as Romina's sister, but now, as we've grown older and I've seen the amazing person she's become, I'm so very honored to be called Romina's sister. She inspires me to be the best version of myself every single day. I feel so blessed to have shared so many memories with Ate Mina, both the small moments and the significant events. I remember all the times we used to argue about the silliest things, like when I wanted to borrow her computer or share her music. She'd take this playful demand, saying something like, "Kunin mo muna akong tubig." And if I refuse, she would say, "Ay, no laptop." Or, "Ay, no songs."
Ay, bully. Bully ka pala.
Hindi pala yung bride.
These were
Parang si Kami ko din, bully.
Sinabi mo pa.
Magkasundo sila.
But looking back, I realized how much influence she has had on me. Her music choices, her
Gemma, bibring up yun sa
so much
Josephine, no?
more started shaping
Wala
me.
pa yun. Kami nila Kami.
And then there's Kuya Angelo. I met Kuya Ange in 2020 at the height of the pandemic. Ate Mina had told me a lot about him. One story stuck out.
Kaya natatakot ako.
When Kuya Angelo first asked for her number, and while she was typing it on the phone, or I think basta nabigay niya na yung number, sabi ni Kuya Ange, yung last name, anong last name mo? Sige ka, pag di mo binigay yung last name mo, ilalagay ko yung akin.
Real or harassment?
Here we are today with her, his last name. Manifestation at its finest. They are truly a perfect
Start
match.
manifesting.
I knew Ate Mina found the one when Kuya Angelo asked her to wash the baliktad. When Kuya Angelo washed the dishes while Ate Mina cooks, it was such a simple yet profound moment of balance and partnership. That's when I realized they had found the perfect balance in each other. Ate Mina and Kuya Ange, I wish you both a lifetime of love and happiness. May you continue to be patient and understanding with each other, support each other in all the things that bring spark to your lives. And may you continue to make each other laugh and feel relief every day of your lives. You both know how much I love you and that I'll always be here to support you no matter what. Eminem once said, we'll walk this storm, we'll walk this road together through the storm, whatever weather, cold or warm.
Parang alam ko yun, ah.
Favorite kasi ni ate si Eminem.
Tapos Eminem, Miko and Mina.
Part na talaga ng speech ko.
MM. Mimo.
And so true, you'll never be alone. We, your family, now extend a warm shout out to Kuya Angelo's family. We promise that we will always be here for both of you. I couldn't be happier to witness this incredible union today. Ate Mina, you are loving, hardworking, always thinking about others, and immensely supportive. Kuya Angelo, you bring humor, inspiration, and steadfast support into Ate Mina's life. Together, you form a remarkable team. So here's to a lifetime of beautiful memories, endless laughter, and unwavering love for both of you. We love you both so much. Cheers.
Brothers eh. So,
Shower together.
Shower together. Pakita ko yung,
Pati,
ex kayo,
pati yung ex din, diba? So, madalas kayo nag-aaway when we were growing up. Kasi nga, uli. Joke lang. Pero, hopefully, kayong dalawa, you don't fight as much as we fight before. So, hindi siya good example.
nag-set ng example.
Nag-set ng exam. So, wala na ako masabi, but wala na ako prepare na script. Pero, alam ko, when you were preparing with the wedding, hindi ako nagsabi na I'm coming. Kasi sabi ko, I'm very busy. Ang dami ko na-miss na nagala natin together with Mina. Kasi, because of the schedule. Pero sabi ko, I won't miss the wedding. Kasi ito yung pinaka-important na moment sa life ni Mina. Then, when I saw Mina for the first time, sabi ko, iba talaga eh, compared with... Ay, hindi na ako hindi ko na binigyan. Hindi, joke lang. Hindi, mabait si Kami ko. When I saw Mina for the first time, I know that she's really the one for Kuya Miko. Talagang bagay sila, they get well together. And very first time na na-feel ko na very welcoming. Pinagluto pa kami ng sisig. Sobrang sarap.
Kami din.
Dito nakapay ng sisig.
Kailangan ng albularyo.
My curse.
Mapa-examine ko nga baka. Buti nga hindi handa ngayon eh. So I just wish the best of life to both of you. Best wishes. And many more memories and experiences to come. So yeah, thank you for inviting me.
Thank you, Jamal.
When I was a kid.
Wala na yung script.
Ako yung sponsor ng mga
First, I'd like
katulong.
to congratulate
Groom.
you, Mr. Estrellado and Mrs. Estrellado. So, dalawa na yung, apat na pala yung, dalawang Mr. Estrellado and dalawang Mrs. Estrellado.
Sino yung isa? Mami mo.
Alis na lang pa yan. Show us the...
Hindi, kinabahan siya, baka may
longest kiss. I will count 1 to 10. So, dapat hindi kayo mag-i-stop in kissing. Ha?
Longest
Wow!
I'll start the count now habang nag-iisip ako, no? So, mag-kiss kayo.
May cheat.
Okay.
Dito
One.
ko huwag niyo akong bubutasan ng gulang.
Okay, start the kiss. 1,
You may kiss the bride. Ay! Ulit! Wait lang, hinga muna.
Ba't nasa lechon?
Lechon, pansit, beef
Longest,
stew,
longest, hindi shortest.
Walang...
7, 8,
8.5? Wait,
Baka hindi na technology.
9.5? 8?
9.3, 9.4, 9.4.
Dry na yung lips ko. Nani yung lipstick. Final.
9.5, 9.6.
Nabusog ako.
9.60.
Snack daw si Ate
Sa
Remy.
pagmamahal.
Snack daw si Remy.
9.6 na kayo? Hindi na, no? 9.7, 9.8,
9.81.
9.9.
Do we have minors in the room?
Then,
In the tent?
okay.
Outside the
Give
tent.
them a big yes. So now we are very happy that you are part of our family now, officially. So we can also have official receipt request. For sure. Since you are united as one, that means one. Not two.
That's
It's not
Johnny.
yours, it's not mine anymore, so it's always
One color.
ours. No? So, Mina can wear the brief of Nico. And Nico could wear the brown.
All the time.
Oh my God!
All the time. On the head.
And then,
Which head?
actually, there's a lot of best wishes I can just summarize it to. I wish you all the best. But I just want you to remember 4 words like truth. T-R-U-L. Meaning, T is trust. You need to trust each other. R is respect. And then you understand each other. And the last
I
is
learned a new
love.
word.
Love one another as you love yourself and you love God. So, pag nagalit yung isa, sabi ng isa, truth.
Rule lang.
Isa naman
Binigyan
nagalit
ng
sa
idea.
truth.
Binigyan ng idea.
True lang.
So, at least,
Amigo, true lang.
mas madaling
True
maintindihan
love.
na
English lang.
hindi nagagalit tayo sa compose yung isa para you need time to reflect for kung ano yung pinag-away ninyo, di ba? And then, pag malamig na yung ulo, that's the time that you try to talk about it again and doon papasok yung respect, understanding, para ba rin yung sabihin na it's okay, alright, I am wrong.
Wala nga talo sa
Si
amin
Mami
pag
mo
nag-aaway.
And then the most important
Hindi na kaya yung
is
buo.
for you to multiply.
Basketball team. Algebra. Algebra.
Yes, so, yun. Okay, I think that's all. I love you
Napakalang
all.
napagkalisod.
Love you,
Thank you.
Okay, binabati ko kayo, hinahangin ko sa inyong pag-isang dibdib, naway pagpalain kayo ng Panginoon Diyos, na walang hanggang kaligayahan. Naway lagi ninyong ilagay sa gitna ang Panginoon Diyos. Masaya po at natupad na yung hiningan ng isa't isa kayo. At magmahalang kayo, magbigayan at iwanan ang isa't isa. Anak na tuloy ko sa iyo ninanaway naramdaman mo yan. Kung may pagkukulang man ako, ikaw ang bahala. Mahal na mahal kita anak. Ikaw ang pababayaan si Mina. Dalawa na ang baby mo. Sama Welcome, Miko. At alam ko mahal mo si Mina. Babayaran. Dapat mahaba ang pasensya. Mina, sana magkaroon ka ng tatay mo. Basta laging nandito lang kami para sa inyo. Sana magkaroon ng kami.
Pressure. Naging wish ko lang pala yun.
Ito yun.
Hello, everyone.
Ay?
Any request? Ang lamig ng boses
Parang ano, no, radyo?
I have nothing to say, but I love you both unconditionally.
Umiiyak.
First time Miko brought Trinina to here. Welcome na welcome ka kaagad sa amin. And now official na. Welcome ka. Wala na akong masabi eh.
Kanta ka na lang daw, kuya.
I'm giving you my best wishes and blessings. And that's it.
Kanta na lang, kanta.
Happy birthday.
Babasahin ni Mina to eh, kaya prepare ako ng tweet out eh. Anyway, first and foremost, my congratulations to our new events, Miko and Mina. Finally, wait now after years of going away. I thought this day would never come. Now that you decided to cement your union as a husband and wife, I do hope your final decision was right. Hello. Seriously, I hope and pray that both of you will happily join ahead of your lifetime to be 20. Remember that marriage is not always about good times. What they call beds of roses. Bad times or challenges may come everyone. Everyone's in a while. I hope both of you will find a way to overcome those challenges together, no matter how big and small they are. Continue to love and cherish each other, even if you see imperfection over each other. Try to look at the brighter side and better side of your spouse. Realistically, both of you should respect imperfection of one or the other and should be ready to embrace and accept it unconditionally. Remember, you have married a man or human and not God, so laws should be respected, understood, and accepted. This is an old saying, experience our best teachers. I must say I agree with this, but it doesn't need to be your personal experience. That would be a painful and most costly, maybe costly. You can learn and gain enlightenment from the experience of the other people around you, be it business or personal. You can duplicate the good ones if that applies to your situation. Or you can use their mistake as your guide, not to make the same mistakes they had. Finally, regardless of your journey, experiences in the future, please share them with us. Don't hesitate to come to us if you need anything else. We would love to hear from you, always and anytime. Always remember, we are always here for you. We love you. We welcome to the family, Angelo and Alice.
Hand with hand in hand with Mina and ready to on this new journey together. From the moment Miko was born, he brought boundless joy and pride into our lives. Na minsan nakakalimut ako sa sarili ko. But kahit sa akin pumunta, pinapansin siya. Gusto ko, I'm always the proud mom that, oh, anak ko yan, until nung binili kong diaper, naiwan ko na dahil kasusunod ko dun sa pakita siya na, anak ko to. So, alayin lang yung nakadawin ko balik just to balikan yung diaper na yun. Pero, nasa
nasa wheelchair, sa ano yun, stroller. So, watching him grow into an incredible man he is today has been one of my greatest blessings as a mom. And blessings of our lives.
Yeah, iyak ka lang.
He's always focused and determined. Matigas ang ulo, pero I learned a lot from him. Dahil sa katigasan ng ulo niya, that not all the times moms are right. So, lesson din sa ating mga mom, na minsan pakinig na lang tayo sa sinasabi ng anak natin. And I know that we turn to make the entrepreneur. Kasi bata pa lang siya, nagbibenta na siya ng mga Cheetos and he's earning like in his own way. So, and all of his brothers did also the same thing. And para magkaroon din sila ng something for themselves. But at his age, 10 years old, he was able to save $400 just from the coins that he's asking from us, the change coming from
Tita Jing.
from Tita Jing. Because we both don't like to hold coins.
Mostly from 80% Tita Jing. Tsaka mama.
Oh, 80% is mama because I don't actually hold cash. So, wait, nawala na ako. So, he's always been focused and determined to what he really wants to do. And he has brought him success in so many areas, which he's not a business graduate. Like I was always surprised that I know education is really important, but your success will just end in having that education. You have to use it, or even you don't have that education, you have to do your best to make the best that you can. So it's how you handle your life. At the end of the day, it's just like it's our lives, and it's like an art that we can always do something there and put all our struggles, our success there. It's just like it's our story. So that's why we're always remember, Nico, that we're just here to guide you, not to make you feel that makikialam si mommy, makikialam si daddy. It's just like something to remind you, but he will always be the person that will make the decision for your life, because it's your life. Okay? And when Mina entered his life, it was as if the final piece of the puzzle fell into place. And seeing them together, it's clear that they complement each other perfectly. Mina, you have brought so much happiness and love into our family. Your grace, warmth, and strength are the perfect match to Nico and Alice. And we couldn't have asked for more wonderful person to join our family. And welcome, we love you. All of us, we love you. So what I can say is that marriage is a journey filled with both incredible rights and challenging lows. It requires patience, understanding, and unwavering support for another. Mahirap kasi ganun talaga. So every single day may struggle pa rin. Kasi kahit tumanda na kayo, kahit na lahat pa, pero meron pa struggle. It's up to you how you will make your life, keep your lives together. So, I have no doubt that the two of you will navigate this journey with the same love and dedication. I have no doubt that the two of you will navigate this journey with the same love and dedication that has brought you to this moment. As you step into a new chapter of your lives, remember to always communicate openly, cherish each other's uniqueness. Alam ko magkaiba kayo. Pero nagko-compliment nga kayo sa isa't isa. So, uniqueness, and never forget to love that brought you together. COVID love.
Tara, booster shot tayo.
So that so,
Dapat
so,
sa kanila.
yan ang magandang dulot ng COVID.
Levi Moderna.
May your days be filled with laughter, your heart with kindness, and your home with joy. And congratulations and best wishes. We love you both. And cheers!
Cheers!
Ermina,
Pati ng mata ko.
when we first met, we both didn't have any expectations. But from the moment I met you, I had a feeling that this is something special. This time it's different, it's new, it's fresh, and exciting. You made me feel like I can be my 100% true self. Not only can I be silly, goofy, and annoying, but I can also speak 100% Tagalog. It just felt natural and comfortable, as if everything was meant to happen. And I've never felt this way before on the first date. I guess you can say, what's meant for you is for you. Do you remember the time when I told you, the first night I left your apartment, I started imagining us together, getting married and having a family.
Bilis.
Fast forward. At the
Manifest.
moment, that was just me wishful thinking and dreaming. I never thought that it would manifest, but I'm glad it did. Because you have done so many things that made me realize there's so much more to life. You've helped me become a better son, brother, father, and most of all, a better partner. You love me when I didn't love myself. Not only that, but you have also shown to me, and especially Alice, what kind of a mother she deserves. You're not Alice's stepmom, you're the mom that stepped up.
Oh! ChatGPT.
I'm forever grateful that I have a partner that I can rely on and support me in all my endeavors.
Crazy.
Every day is a learning process, and I'm willing to learn and grow with you. I once told you, sometimes when I look at you, I tell myself, any man would be lucky to have you. I just happen to be that lucky man. You could have been with anyone else besides me, but you chose me, and I also choose you and you. Everything that happened to me in the past, I wouldn't change a thing because it led me to you. And I'm glad I went through all the hardships before meeting you, because meeting you showed me how to truly love and be loved. I never thought I deserved good things in life, but you made me realize that I deserve all this. We deserve all this. Everything happened because we both swiped right. In the end, we both ended up with the right person. The person we
Not super like.
for the rest of our lives. I promise to love you until the day I die, and my love for you will never change. I will love you more and more each day. There's a lot of things I'm not best at, but I'm promised to be the best husband. It doesn't matter where I'm at or where I'll be. As long as I'm with you, I'm complete. I love you, Ermina. You made me a very happy man. I hope I can do the same, and I hope I'm able to give you everything you deserve in life. Back then, I super liked you. Now I super love you.
Ay, wait lang, isa kanya, mga 3 seasons, mahaba yan.
Sorry, medyo mahaba yun sa akin.
Kaya pala nagantay kami kanina.
Kaya ganyan yung dumating. Dear Nico.
My dear Nico, we've been writing each other love letters every single month on the 24th for 4 years now.
May love letters wala mo.
But this one might be the most special one so far. 4 years ago, I was catching up with my best friends, and I shared with them that I had the realization that I would probably only find the love of my life if I moved back to the Philippines, because I really value being with someone who's aligned with my personal goals, embodies Filipino values, and understands the culture as much as I do. The very next day, I opened my phone to see this handsome man super like me, and I swiped right back. Little did I know that I had manifested the man I've been praying for right then and there. We were living at the height of the pandemic at that time, and I was at the cusp of discovering my love for cooking. So I nervously invited you over to my place to taste some Filipino food I attempted to make.
I vividly remember you first spoke to me like we already know each other for years. You spoke to me in straight Tagalog, and I instantly loved that about you. I also had to work on my laptop for 3 hours that night, and you were just patiently waiting for me. I couldn't believe it. I was starting to feel bad, so I asked, "Do you need anything?" You just answered, "Ikaw." And that actually made me so cute. Finally,
Wizard. That's a
finally, after
wizard.
finished working, we got to talk for the rest of the night about our lives, our families, our core values, and our dreams of the future. It seriously gave me goosebumps how aligned you were with everything, that it almost scared me. On top of that, your sense of humor with your dad jokes, your witty Filipino pickup lines, and your romantic gestures were beyond what I expected and what I thought I deserved, because I'd never experienced anything like it before. I looked at you, and I knew that I just met the love of my life. I remember so well that you told me that night that one of your goals was to be able to buy a condo in the Philippines in your 30s. And I'm just so amazed and inspired to see you actually achieve that now. More than that, I've seen you grow so much as a person, as my partner, as a son, as a friend, and as a father to Alice. From the moment we met, seeing your relationship with Alice gave me nothing but a great validation that you'll be a great father to our future children too. Okay. Meeting you was already such a great blessing, and I feel even more blessed getting to meet Alice through you. My dear Alice, you have such a kind and purely beautiful soul. Thank you for teaching me that love truly knows no bounds, and showing me that family means not just the people you're born with, but those who you also choose to love as your own. Thank you for teaching me how to love better as a daughter and as a stepdaughter by how much you love me like I'm your own mother. I'm so lucky and blessed to have this family we call our own, and all this love that we share together. Our journey together has been nothing short of extraordinary, filled with countless memories that have shaped us in our love. From the simple joys of cooking together and both of you being my ever-willing taste testers, to the thrill of exploring nature's wonders, national parks, different islands, trying new restaurants, to conquering fitness milestones together, every moment spent with the both of you has been a treasure I'll truly cherish. But one of the biggest highlights of our adventures would have to be our trips to the Philippines together, where we got to experience the beauty of our culture and the warmth of our families and friends here that we all love. I'm so blessed to have been welcomed by all your family and your friends with such open arms, and for making me feel loved just as much as they love you since day one. Seeing my friends and family love you just as much as I do from the very beginning warms my heart too. It makes me incredibly grateful that they can see how much joy and happiness you both bring into my life. In the 4 years that we've been together, we've weathered our fair share of storms, both literally and figuratively. We've seen each other at our highest heights and lowest lows, and yet through it all, our love has only grown stronger. Throughout these years, I've come to understand that a perfect relationship doesn't mean never facing challenges, but rather having a partner who's worth facing them for.
Wow.
Thank you for being patient with me, especially in the times when I'm the hardest to deal with, and when I take so long to get ready with my elaborate skincare routine. Thank you for always being there to support and comfort me in any way, whenever I'm too busy to cook dinner, and when I need advice, when I'm too stressed or anxious to function, when I was in between jobs, when I want to try new hobbies or endeavors, or when I just want to lambing and want to cuddle. You make me feel beautiful, and you make me feel loved in ways I never thought I deserved. In you, I found not just a partner, but a true companion, my best friend, and someone who satisfies me, supports
Season 2.
forgives me when I make mistakes, and loves me always and always. As we stand here today, ready to embark on this incredible journey together, here are my vows. But first, to Alice, my amazing stepdaughter, I promise to always be there for you, to listen to you, to hold your hand when you need it, and to support you in everything you do. I promise to share all the funny and cute TikToks I find so we can watch and laugh at them together. I promise to teach you any recipe you want to learn. We'll make it together and we'll have a fun time. I promise to be patient and understanding, especially when life feels overwhelming or confusing as you grow up. I promise to love and care for you as if you were my own, to respect your feelings and your thoughts, and to always have an open heart and mind when you need someone to talk to. I promise to be a role model for you, to show you the importance of kindness, integrity, and love in everything we do. And I promise to always make time for fun and laughter, to share adventures and new experiences, and to create a home filled with joy and warmth. And here are my vows to you, my love. I promise to always listen to you with an open heart and open mind, to truly hear your thoughts, your dreams, and your concerns. I promise to be loyal to you, to stand by your side through every challenge and triumph, and to be your unwavering support in all things. I promise to always laugh at your corny dad jokes, not because they're always funny, though they sometimes are, but because I love seeing your silly self and I love seeing you smile. I promise to try to not fall asleep too often when it's late at night and we're watching our favorite shows. I promise to always cook your favorite meals as long as you promise to wash the dishes. I promise to be the best co-parent to Alice and our future children, sharing the responsibilities and the joys of parenting equally. I promise to be your travel buddy, adventure partner, the one who always remembers to pack the snacks and remembers the itinerary. I promise to give you the space to be yourself, to pursue your hobbies and passions, and to encourage you to reach great heights, just as you've always done for me. I promise to love you unconditionally, to cherish every moment we share, and to nurture our relationship with kindness and deep respect. I promise to be your partner in every sense of the word, to share in your triumphs and struggles, and to always choose you every single day. Most importantly, I promise to love you every day of my life in every possible way for the rest of our lives. With you, I've found my home, my heart, and my safe space. I look forward to all the adventures that lie ahead, knowing that as long as we have each other, we can conquer anything. I love you so much, and I love you always and always.
Wow.
10 seconds ulit. Yung ano pala, messages for family. I just want to say thank you for coming and celebrating this moment with us. I love you all.
Medyo lugi ako.
Pwede pa tumingin sa chat GPT.
Wait, 5-minute
Shout
break.
out Richie and Jamal and everyone else that made this happen and made it more special than we expected. And Tita Jean for the sponsor. Tita Jeannie, I mean Mama. And Inay, Tita Rico, Tita Liz, my mom, my dad. Tita G, congratulations! First time visa!
Kiss the floor.
Double celebration.
Mga brothers, walang chat.
And my brothers. And my brothers.
Mamaya ikaw din maglilinis eh.
Kailangan may name din.
And to my brothers, Paolo, Daryl, and Jeffoy, I love you all. And even though we all fight, I still love you all. And thank you for all the effort and the help.
The F word?
Effort. Not F word. Effort.
F word.
F word.
Okay, yeah. Lahat ng sinabi niya, and then, kwento lang, at first, dapat talaga magtatanan lang kami, yung kami dalawa lang. Kasi sabi namin, ayaw namin mag-spend sa wedding, parang mas gusto namin mag-spend sa honeymoon or sa bahay, gano'n. Tapos, nung sinabi namin, oh, sige, invite lang natin family. Tapos biglang lumaki na lang lumaki. Tapos ganito na naging medyo bonggang celebration na. But in the end, for me, sobrang worth it. Kasi hindi ko in-expect na mag-e-effort kayo ng ganito para sa amin. Kasi I don't like being the center of attention. But I really, really appreciate how much you've shown your love and appreciation for the both of us. Lagi ko naman na nafe-feel yung effort niyo and yung support niyo sa amin and yung love niyo para sa amin dalawa. But being able to feel it in this special way today as we get married, really makes me feel so validated that I'm not just marrying Angelo, I'm also marrying Angelo's family who loves me fully, and my family who loves your family and you truly. So, sobrang happy ako na lahat tayo nag-get along, lahat tayo masaya. Yung sobrang saya ng games. Hindi ko in-expect na magkakaroon ng program, so thank you, Jambal, Richie. Grabe yung effort kasi hindi ko in-expect na deserve ko din to. And I guess I should give myself more credit because I know how much I'm willing to go like through anything to show my love for all of you. So thank you for showing me and being on the same. Diba? Thank you so much. And I love you all.
Thank you. Single daw si Richie at si Jamie.
Isang round pa ulit lahat.
Meron na namin sa mo.
Kunyari may binabasa.
Ay, ano ba? In 10 hanggang tomorrow.
Pwede tayo hanggang tomorrow.
So walang uuwi. Pero kung uuwi muna, kailangan nyo magsulat ng mahaba. Tapos ano.
Pwede na ako magtanggal ng barong. Init eh. Japan na ako eh.
So we have drinks, we have food pa. We can eat, anong oras pa naman? And let's just party and enjoy.
7.
Congratulations, Congratulations. Thank you, Richie.
Richie, thank you.
Parang di na moral support.
Thank you, love you. Ay, Dari, Jeffoy, Paolo, thank you. Love you.
Oh, may padrino ka na, Richie. Pwede mo na gamitin na.
Si Jemoy din, siya yung Jemoy, grupa. Richie.
Lahat na, gather round.
Dito ka sa
picture.
There you go. Kaya nga eh.
Sige na nga, picture na lang. Ganun din naman eh.
Pwede mo
Eh, si Mimi.
Picture na ba?
Picture na nga lang. Picture na lang.